how much Facebook paid me for a video with 2.8 million views. And if you're not aware that Facebook pays, stick around to find out if Facebook is worth it. Today's video is a very exciting one. I'm going to be sharing with you how much Facebook paid me for a video with 2.8 million views. Oh, I'm so happy. Whenever I'm going through Facebook, I'm always seeing people saying once you have 1 million views, you're going to earn $1 million. And I'm like, what? Finally, I'm able to create content revolving my first paycheck, how much this paid me for. So you guys, as a creator, I spend majority of my time here on YouTube watching other content creators, how much YouTube paid them for their first 1,000 views. If I'm not exaggerating, I've watched about 30 to 40 videos concerning how much YouTube paid me for so amount of views, my first YouTube paycheck and all of that. And whenever I'm watching this, I'm always wishing and hoping that one day I get monetized here on YouTube so that I'll be able to create it. Although YouTube is looking as if I might not be able to achieve that dream, but definitely one day is going to happen. So if you know you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, please do so. When you subscribe, you bring me a step closer to actualizing my dream. Please support me by subscribing and giving this video a huge thumbs up. Without talking too much, let's just dive right into the topic of our discussion. In order to get monetized on Facebook, you need 10,000 followers, 60,000 minutes of watch time. You must be living in an eligible country and you must be following Facebook content monetization policies. Once you're able to tick off these criteria, a pop-up button will appear on your page asking you to set up so you'll be able to earn money from Facebook. There are several ways of earning money, about 8 of them. They have the in-stream ads, live in-stream ads, stars, subscription, branded content, bonus, performance, and the new one that Facebook just introduced. Let me first of all show you guys the video that I'm talking about. I have my phone here where I'm going to be going through to look at the analytics of the video and show you guys everything you need to know, because that's why you're here. I don't want to mislead you guys. I'm going to be sharing the screen here or here so you guys can be on the same page with me. I'm going to open my Facebook and I'm going to show you guys the video with the 2.8 million views. This is what my page looks like, guys. I'm going to click on the video section over here and I'm just going to try to scroll till we get to the bottom of this phone so that you guys can see the video that I'm actually talking about. All right, look at the video over here that has this 2.8 million views. When I newly started creating content, I never knew that a video I'll produce by myself, like my own idea, will be able to even get 1,000 views. But you guys, this particular video got 42,000 reactions, 1.6k comments, 30,000 shares and 2.8 million views. This is massive. And this video is a video of me making coconut oil at home. And this is just about 7 minutes, 28 seconds, right? I won't be able to show you guys how much this video made me from this Facebook. So I'm just going to open up my browser. That's where you find all of this. So we're just going to wait for this to load, you guys. And this is what we have right here. Facebook keeps updating their system, and each time they update their system, something new must happen. I have to click on the insight. Normally, before now, if you want to check on this, you just go to your content, click on it, and you'll find the details to every information you're looking for. So I just clicked on this $sign and I'm just going to wait for it to open. I'm going to click on this dates option down here in order to make the search of this particular video very easy for me. So I'm just going to go to the particular date that this video was shot so that I'll be able to get the accurate information. All right, so this has opened, right? At the top of it here, which I'm not going to be showing you guys, is the total amount I've actually made from Facebook, but that is not why you're here. So we're going to just scroll down to that particular video. This first video here, how to make fresh coconut milk. So if I decide to click on the view inside of those videos, you guys will not see the earning of those videos because Facebook keeps updating their system. So I'm just going to navigate to this section and you guys can see approximate earnings. $620.44 That is what this particular video has made me. I'm going to click on the video so it's to open. Just like I said, it's showing preview unavailable, but if you check on top of this, you see how to make fresh coconut oil and milk at home. Posted on the 23rd of February. There is no insight or analytics about this video. You can only just see the earning from here, and you guys can see that a video with 2.8 million views was able to fetch me $620 44 cents from just one particular video. I know that if I got this view here on YouTube, the money would have been more than this. But you guys, I'm not going to sit down here and pretend and say $600 is too small for me. Let's calculate that in Naira so that you guys will see for yourself how much that is. So Naira is currently 1,600 Naira, but as of when I made this money, I don't think Naira was up to that. But that is basically 1,600 times 620.44. This is using today's exchange rate, this is 992,704 Naira. That is a huge amount of money for me. As of when I was doing an 8 to 5 job, I definitely know that I won't even be able to make such amount of money in a year. And this is something I made from a particular video, a 7-minute video. You guys, yes, I really cannot wait to create content concerning how much YouTube paid me. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button. It doesn't take anything from you. Once you just hit on it, boom, you've been subscribed to me, and it doesn't remove money from your bank account. It doesn't take your data. Basically, that is the amount of money that Facebook paid me for a 2.8 million views. And just like YouTube here, they have what they call CPM. That's cost per 1,000 views. YouTube does that, same as Facebook. They used to do that until system upgrade again. And currently, Facebook does not pay per 1,000 view. They pay based on eligible minute view. So even if your video gets 2 million views, Facebook might choose to pay you for 1 million views, and they feel that the remaining 1 million views is not monetizable. So you can't really tell the amount of money you make from your view. But one secret hack I've come to find out about Facebook is that if you create content, even if the view is kind of low, but it gets a lot of comments, that video you'll be able to make a substantial amount of money from it. But when your video gets millions of views and maybe it's just 1 or 2 comments, you'll be shocked that you'll not be able to make even up to $10. Now, the geographical location of your audience, people who are watching you, also plays a huge role. That's basically it. I don't want to talk too much. I just want to sit down here and share with you guys how much a 2.8 million views video made me. Since I can't shoot how much YouTube paid me for 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 views, at least I've been able to fulfill my dream of creating content of how much this paid me for such amount of views. Though I would definitely still want to create how much YouTube paid me to make me so happy. With that being said, if you know you enjoyed this video and you watched up to this moment, you guys, thank you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you in another video. Until then, bye.